Rangers lead the way. Gunny is here. It seems odd that 9 years ago, 108 months, that he was taken from us.
Gunny passed away in Operation Enduring Freedom. Great soldier, great human being.
This park is dedicated to CSM Gunny Barreras. He's a gentleman that served in Afghanistan and passed away 9 years ago. It's one amazing way to honor his legacy. He attended Sunnyside High School and his family lives in the community still. Close to $8 million has been invested in this park and what you're seeing. So you've got the playground over there, splash pad behind me. Further along we have a brand new fitness court, walking path, and in October we'll open up the fields. 3, 2, 1!
It's good, it's gated, it looks safe, I like it, and it's a good place to bring all your kids.
I think it's very well built. It's super cool, really fun. My favorite part is like over there the little they have the water and then you can like go under it. Yeah, it's fun. I want to say the bucket. It feels really good when it comes down on you. It's really fun.
Probably the bucket. You get really wet, and that's something that's pretty cool.
I want to get wet with the bucket. So this splash pad is awesome because it's got a bucket that fills up with water and it dumps on top of the kids. And it really is something that you don't need to be able to swim to enjoy. Little kids all the way up to adults can come and splash and cool off this summer.
It's like a nice place to cool off and like to really come and enjoy it. Like you can have like a party.
I think it's good for the community to finally have some where the kids can come back outside and do something.
The next splash pad will be opening at Mission Manor. We anticipate that'll be in the next year and a half or so. So we're really excited that we're going to be expanding the inventory here in the South Side.
I would say to come here, it's really fun. You can enjoy it with your friends and stuff. It's really cool.